Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in my small and compact sized kitchen. So in this video I'm going to show you this kitchen tour, and it's very small and compact sized kitchen, and it's an open kitchen. So we don't have a separate hall and we don't have a separate kitchen like our previous flat. It's just an small 600 square feet flat. So we have a kitchen in the hall itself, and I really liked the compact size of this kitchen, all the things we have in this kitchen. So we don't have an OTG, but we have an air fryer which can work like an oven. We don't have a big mixers and grinders, but we have a small compact size Wonder Chef blender. So like that we have all the things but in compact size. So let's dive into the video and let's see what are all the things I have in this kitchen and what are all the appliances we use in this compact sized kitchen. So this is the complete look of the kitchen, and in the entrance we have this bar table and breakfast counter where we have two bar stools, and it's very convenient to have breakfast here, and we can even cut vegetables, and we can even just sit there, and the lighting is really awesome. Now let me show you each and everything from that corner to that corner, and it's very small so it won't take very long time. So on this dining table and breakfast counter we have this juicer. It's very convenient to make juices, all the vegetable and fruit juices, and it's a quick juicer. We can just make any kind of juice in just 2 or 3 minutes, and it's very easy to clean as well. This is from Philips. And let's come to the main countertop of the kitchen. So here there is a tray, and this is like a coffee station and dry fruit station. Whenever I am hungry I just grab some dry fruits and have it, like cashews, badam and walnuts, walnuts, pistachios. So, and we have coffee, tea, sugar. What are all the ingredients when we want to make a quick coffee or quick tea? So we use this as a coffee station and dry fruit station. And here I have this Satvik food book, recipes book. It's a healthy food recipes book, and which is easy to make as well. So I bought this Satvik food book, and there is a book which came with an air fryer. It's a recipe book of Koryo brand. So these are the two recipes books which I use whenever I want to try something different. And next we have this masalas boxes. I don't know what do you exactly call this. As this is a compact size kitchen, we can't store boxes and lot of storage boxes. So what we did was we bought this kind of small jars. It has around 16 containers. So we all keep jeera, cumin seeds and mustard seeds and garam masala, all kind of masalas in these small boxes. So all the seeds which we use in making sabjis or topping seeds, we all kept in this here. So it's very convenient to pick up when we are cooking, and it's very easy to store as well, and it saves a lot of space in the kitchen. So next comes our blender. This is a Wonder Chef blender. So we'll get two jars, which is one for making smoothies and one for dry blending jar. So that's very convenient to use, and this is also a compact sized blender. So all the things you see in this kitchen is very minimal and compact size. And the next thing we have is this air fryer, and after getting this air fryer my life has been changed. I stopped eating oil, and whenever I want to make a quick potato chips or french fries, it's very easy to make them. No need of using much oil, and no need of eating unhealthy fatty oils. So it's very convenient to use, and we can even bake in this. We can make cupcakes, cakes, bread, buns, everything you can make. So this is about air fryer. It's from Koryo brand. I will try to give all the links in the description box below. And let's come to the center of the kitchen, and which is this 4-burner stove. So it's very convenient to use. No need of lighter at all. So we can just rotate this knob. You will get a fire. That's it. It's very easy to use, and there is no need of lighter at all. At the same time you can try 3 or 4 recipes, and let me show you how it looks when we switch on the lights. So this is how it looks, and Just now I made this yummy Dondakai pachadi. I don't know what do you call it in English. So this is the main cooking area, and yeah, we are almost at the end of the countertop. So this is the oil tray where we have normal oil and air fryer spray bottle, and this is the leftover oil, and this is a wood pressed oil which is very good for health, and we have this hand mixer or blender, and this we have kept all the spatulas and spoons and whatever the things we use in cooking, and oil brushes, etc, etc. And then here we have glasses and a small bamboo plant. Always greenery will add more look to any place of your home. So we have this small bamboo plant here. So the next thing here is this clay pot. It's summer, guys, and it's not good to have fridge water, so we bought this clay pot and clay glasses as well. It's very healthy and it's very cooling. After pouring the water in the clay pot, after just 1 or 2 hours, you will get a cool water, and which are healthy as well. And this is sink area, all the stuff you know. And here I have kept hand gloves where we use whenever we are washing dishes, so we don't get to damage our hands. And then here are all the things, hand wash and Vim, all the things which we use for cleaning. Now it's time to see the cupboards and what are all the things we have in the cupboards. I forgot to show you, I have kept this art in the side, like work hard and eat well. It will add a nice even though it's a small art, it will add a nice decor to this kitchen, so I have added that. And I just used double side tape to stick that. And when it comes to cupboards, let's see the first section. Here we have kept dates, sugar cubes, and tissues, salt, oregano, chili flakes, which we'll use as a toppings and all. We have kept all the things here. And this cupboard we have like garlic and all the masalas, coriander powder, chili, everything here, red chili. And on this top shelf we have all the things which are not sufficient in these boxes, so whenever these things are getting over, we'll fill the boxes from the top section. So that's it for this cupboard. And let me show you this one. This is a small tray kind of a thing which we have attached it to with the double side tape as well, where we keep small paper cups and small wooden spoons which we get from Chai Kings and all. And here we have a decor board which you can get from waho.in. It's an Instagram page. I will give the link in the description box, and scissors are here. And here we have all the coffee mugs and healthy teas like green tea, butterfly tea, and flower tea. That kind of things are all in these cupboards. And this looks messy, but it has all the things which you want to make whenever you are in a hurry and whenever you are feeling hungry, you want to eat something hot and spicy. All the things are here because we have this we made this as a breakfast counter. Here we have all the upma stuff like semia, ravas, and all the things, pasta, spaghetti, all the things which we use for making. And you can see yoga bar, protein bars. Whenever we are hungry, we can eat this as well. And all the baking stuff are on the top section, all the things which we use for baking and all. So here we have pancakes batter, pancakes mix, and ragi flour, all the things which are easy to make and which can be used as a breakfast and dinner. All the things are here, like oats and oats, granola, everything. So that's it for the cupboards. And let me show you, under the main counter we have 3 cupboards. In the first section we have all the small plates and cups and all the things which we don't use usually, weighing scale and bamboo straws which we use occasionally. We have kept all the things here. And in the second cupboard we have all the utensils which are necessary for cooking. We don't have the extra stuff because it's a small kitchen, so we have just kept only the things which we need. And in the last section we have kept all the bowls and hot boxes and plates, tawas in the last section. So that's it for the 3 cupboards. And let me show you the next one. this is a bigger one, and in the first part I have this mango pickle, some snacks, and leftover oats which are not sufficient in the breakfast counter, and some tur dal, chana dal, and these are all the things like rice and brown rice, and chapati flour, like wheat flour, and all these are yoga granola, muesli, all the things which are not sufficient in the breakfast counter. We have kept all the things here, and the back side also there are all the things which are in stock because it's lockdown, so we have filled all the pantry. And in these two cupboards under the sink, and here we kept all the things which we are not using and which are taking space on the countertop and cupboards. So all the things we have in this are not usable, or we use occasionally. So that's it for the kitchen tour, guys. Yeah, I forgot to show my fridge. Opposite to main countertop we have this small fridge. Hope you like this video, guys. If you like this, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and bye bye.